Open Notepad++ and type this SQL script. Create database blog, semicolon. Capital letters means that is orders, built-in orders. SQL built-in orders. Use blog means like open that blog, go inside blog, and inside blog, inside the database blog, create table, named menu, in brackets, menu underscore ID, data type integer, int, auto increment, primary key. Auto increment means people will not type that's data, that's data, that integer in database. It will automatically by a database, by SQL auto increment means that automatically insert in a database integer 1, 2, 3 step by step. Row 1 will have number 1. Row 2 in table will have number 2. Primary key means that every row will have unique data, and that unique data will be that data, menu underscore ID. It will be unique data for every row. Name, the second name of column is name. Type data is varchar, it is character. We limit on the 100 possible letter space. Content, it is third columns. Type data text means means we can insert a lot of letters and spaces and signs. Huge content. Published, fourth columns, data type is date, and closed brackets. After that, engine is equal InnoDB. It is one type of engine, and default char set equal UTF-8. It is international character set. And order insert into table means that we want insert into some of data in some content in our table, and in first brackets we have name of columns data, name, content, published, but there is no columns menu ID, menu underscore ID, because that columns will be charged, will be entered automatically, because auto increment argument for that columns. Values, in a second brackets we write values. Post 1 will be name blah 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 would be content, and published would be this year, and etc. Second row would be post 2, blah blah blah. Post 3 would be third row, and it is all for our example. Save as C XAMPP, and I search for MySQL and Bean, and save it with name database1.sql. SQL is here is all types. Database1.sql, save. After that, I start and type CMD, and I have open Windows for CMD exe. I'm going CD, it is DOS orders, CD, cdisk, / XAMPP. Now CD MySQL, CD Bean, and now I will go in DOS monitor for our database, for our MySQL platform, for our MySQL server for database. MySQL -u for user, this argument for user, and user is root. It is by default in the beginning user who can go in our database server. Enter. Welcome. We are now in monitor, DOS monitor, command line monitor in our database, in our platform database, what is calling here MariaDB. We are on the server. Now our command line is on the platform, on the server, and we can type orders what we want. I want to show, for example, show databases, semicolon, show data. It is SQL order, SQL script. You see database blog. We have database blog. Now, from before, now I will clear. It is order, SQL order drop. Drop that database blog, semicolon, enter, and there is no, after that, there is no database. We make, I will make, I'm going to make control, show semicolon, show databases, and we see there is no block. Now I install block from our Notepad++. I must exit from platform, from database platform, MariaDB, MySQL platform, MySQL server, exit order, semicolon by, and I'm here in this path CXAMPP, MySQL bin. Now I'm write this order, MySQL -u root is user, less angle brackets less, and the name database's name of our Notepad++ file, database one.sql. Enter, and because there is no error, I am going to platform MySQL -u root, enter, and show databases, semicolon, and our database block is here. We don't need type orders. We can with the keyboard up and down, arrow up down, we can call all our order in that. You see, it is down, up, down, and we don't need again type orders when we one times order it. For example, I want exit, here I exit. If I here want to go in, I going in. Okay, it's all for this